Configuring Revolut webhooks for payments is a straightforward process that enables you to receive real-time notifications about transactions and events related to your Revolut account. To get started, you need to have a Revolut business account and access to the Revolut dashboard. First, log into your Revolut dashboard and navigate to the Developers section. Here, you will find the Webhooks tab where you can manage your webhooks. Click on the Webhooks tab and then click on the Create Webhook button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your webhook and the URL where you want to receive the notifications. Enter a descriptive name for your webhook and the URL of your server where you want to receive the notifications. The URL should be a publicly accessible endpoint that can handle HTTPS requests. You can use a service like ngrok or Expose to make your local server accessible to the internet. Next, you need to select the events that you want to receive notifications for. Revolut supports a range of events, including payment received, payment sent, and account updated. Select the events that are relevant to your use case and click on the Create Webhook button. Once you have created the webhook, you will receive a webhook secret key. This key is used to authenticate the notifications sent by Revolut. You should store this key securely on your server and use it to verify the authenticity of the notifications. To verify the authenticity of the notifications, you need to calculate a signature using the webhook secret key and the notification payload. You can use a library like HMAC to calculate the signature. Compare the calculated signature with the signature included in the notification header. If the signatures match, you can be sure that the notification is genuine and has not been tampered with. When handling notifications, make sure to respond with a 200 status code to acknowledge receipt of the notification. This will prevent Revolut from retrying the notification. Also, make sure to handle any errors that may occur while processing the notification. In summary, configuring Revolut webhooks for payments involves creating a webhook, selecting the events you want to receive notifications for, and verifying the authenticity of the notifications. By following these steps, you can receive real-time notifications about transactions and events related to your Revolut account and build a robust and scalable payment processing system.